All right, congratulations for making it this far. I'm so glad that you stay consistent and work through all the assignments and all the projects that we have, and you've gained a lot of skills and you've learned a lot of concept over there. I hope by now you have pushed all your projects to your GitHub account and you're ready to take it to the real world and then take up a real world challenge to experience and implement the concept that you have learned so far. At this session, what we're going to do is to go through together as to where to find data science internships and jobs and be able to implement our skills. So I'm going to give you a guide over here. I'm going to walk you through certain places that you can search and how to search and where to find these kind of internships and jobs. Okay, some of them will be virtual, some of them will be physical, depending on your preferences. All right, so the first place that we're going to go is a place that is referred to as Forage. Okay, so Forage will provide you with virtual internship to do with great companies, big companies in the world, and you'll be able to implement your skills over there. Over here, the companies over here are going to guide you. They actually have the projects which are part of what they are doing in the industry. Okay, so there are a lot of great companies here which I'm going to show you in a quite while. All right, so the URL is the Forage. Okay, the Forage, as you can see over there, and we have, as I said, we have great companies over here, as you can see: Visa, JP Morgan, Infosys, Red Bull, Lyft, and all that. Okay, so in your case, since you're doing data science and analytics, what I want you to do is to actually filter out to the specific internship that you're going to do. Okay, so you go to course catalog, because there are quite a lot of internships in different domains over here. Okay, so when you come here, go to course catalog. All right, when you go to course catalog, it's going to show you the various internships over there. So you can see that there are a lot of companies, great companies over there, right? Visa, JP Morgan, Tata, MasterCard, Red Bull, all these great companies. Okay, there are a lot of them over here, right? So the internship project is going to come from these companies, and then you're going to have a guidance from, a person from this company to guide you to do these kind of internships, which is great. Okay, which is very, very great to actually experience how the real world data science is done. Okay, so what I want you to do is that, I went back. Let me go here again. All right, so what I want you to do is that I want you to go to see that we have career interest and then we have company. So you can filter out based on your career interest or based on the company. So if you go to the company, you see that we have quite a lot of great companies over here. Okay, quite a lot of great companies. So if you have a company in mind that you want to do internship over there, you can filter out based on that company. Okay, you can filter out based on that company. What I want you to do is to go to the career interest. If you go to the career interest, you can see that they have internships in different domains over here. Okay, what you're going to do in your case is go to tech. Okay, when you click on tech, it's going to filter out based on tech. Now here you can see that there are a lot of internships, right? So from Tata, you see that data visualization, empowering business with effective insight, cybersecurity from MasterCard, and all that. Okay, let's do something more related to data and analytics. You see that Power BI in data analytics is here. Data analytics and visualization from Essential, technology from Deloitte. If we go all the way down, we see that we have data analytics. Personally, I've done this one myself to see how it is. It's a great one from Deloitte. It's a great one. I've gone through myself. I see that Quantium, data analytics, this one is from General Electric. We see KPMG, data analytics. Quite a lot of them. You see that data analytics and visualization, you go all the way down. You see, let's see, data science and advanced analytics. You see that. So, just take your time, go through, and then you click on it, you go and read. You see that we have data science from Standard Bank over there, right? So, from different domain, Tesla, cybersecurity, not in your area, but if you want, you can do it. And you're not limited to just do one internship also. You can do as many as you want. Okay, you see that we have artificial intelligence, virtual experience program from Cognizant. So if you're interested, for instance, if you're interested in this artificial intelligence virtual experience program, you just click on that. Okay, once you click on that, it's going to take you to the home page of it, right? And then here you can register for it. It's going to come from Cognizant. So once you register, they're going to take you through how to step by step how to go about it, and how they are going to guide you. Okay, so you can see it's free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything or something like that. It's just free for you to access it. Okay, so you can just come listen to the introduction. Okay, so there's introduction from Cognizant, right? And these guys are going to guide you to do it. So this will be what you do in it, right? There will be some exploratory data analysis there. You build some models over there, right? Machine learning production. So after you build it, you take it to the production as we were doing, right? Quality assurance. So there's going to be quite a lot of things over here. So you can just go through, by yourself, and then see all the virtual internships that are there and the ones that you're interested in. Okay, and then you do it. All right, so that's great. That's a great place to go and then get virtual internships. All right, I will also make a list of some of them also, and then give it to you. So I'm sure by now you should be able to have it. I've given it over there, so you can also click on those links, and then you come here. I've done quite. I've selected some of them that are much related to data science, so you can easily do it. Okay, and then once this one is done, okay, so this is one option for you to get a virtual internship. Another option is to go to LinkedIn Jobs. Okay, so if you go to LinkedIn Jobs, here you can search based on what you want. Okay, if you have a link, you should be having a LinkedIn account. It's not that it's an optional. If you want to be a good data scientist, creating your LinkedIn account is one of the great ways to get a good job, right? A higher paying job. Okay, create a LinkedIn account, connect with recruiters and stuff like that. Okay, so if you log into your LinkedIn account, you go to jobs. Okay, you go to jobs. Once you go to jobs, you can search based on what you want. So let's say I will search for data science. Okay, I want data science, or if it is data analytics, it's the same thing. You also search for data analytics. Okay, or data analysis or whatever. Okay, don't add the intent. I'll show you why you shouldn't add. So let's say for data science. Okay, it's the same thing. The process is the same if it's for data science or data analysis, depending on what you want. Okay, so here you can select your state. So the US, so automatically it's there. But if you are not there, and if you are in India, you can easily do India, and then you do. Or if you're in, if I say China, you can easily do. If you're in whatever you are, you can easily do it. Okay, and then you search for that. All right. So let's say I choose United States, and then here you see that we have date posted. So maybe you want the current ones, right? Maybe the one that they posted for the past week. Okay, you don't want something that I've posted for say previous months, right? It means that maybe more people have applied to it, or maybe it's not more even available. They are not accepting applications anymore. So you want current ones, right? So either past 24 hours or past week. That's fine. So let me select past week. All right, and then I can go to, maybe you see that we have experience level over here. So here you can select internship. Okay, that is if you're going for internship, right? If you go to job type also, you will see that here you can select internship as well. Okay, so depending on what you want to do, so you can just do something like that. Okay, and you can see that once you filter it in that way, you will see a couple of them over there, right? And then you can click on, any of them that you feel interested. Some of them, they will not give the title as data science, but the work that you do in there will be related to data science. Okay. But you can see, maybe if I'm interested in this, I can just apply it. I will just go through and see. You see the eligibility is here, so I'll just go through and see if I qualify for that. I'll just apply. You see the easy apply is there. You can easily click on that and then you apply it. Okay, so something like that. It's the NLP engineer is here, right? You can do it. Well, see, on the first one that I showed you, right, this one on Forage, you will not get paid because I mean, it's a virtual internship, and besides that, there are some virtual internships also that will pay you, but for this one on Forage, you will not get paid, but you have an industry person to guide you to do projects that are coming straight away from the industry. Okay, but if you go to LinkedIn, here you get paid. Okay, all the internships here you will get paid. You can see $15 per hour to $20 per hour, right, which can add up to about $2,000 per month or so. Okay, I mean, it can be more, it can be less than that. All right, so I mean, you either, I mean, it's just your choice. You can do from here, you can combine the two and do it. I mean, it's just your own, I mean, choice. Okay, so that's basically what you're supposed to do. So once you find the one that fits you, just apply. As simple as that. Okay, so I hope you now have an idea of what to do. In fact, I have quite a lot of them over here. So if you come here, instead of giving you a list of a lot of places that you can search for these, whether a job or internship or whatever. So if you see, for instance, you click on Amazon jobs over here, right, you can come here and then you filter out over here, right, whether you want to do full-time, part-time, or whatever, you can find it, right, and you can select which country that you want to do it from and all that. Okay, and the good thing is that if you do, most of the job that you're going to get, or the job offer that you're going to get, is going to come from the internship. Okay, if you get an internship and you do your best at the end of your internship, they're going to offer you a permanent job. Okay, that's how it goes. That's how, I mean, it works. So once you get an internship, make sure you do your best. Okay, make sure you do your best, and then at the end of the day, you're going to get a job offer from that particular company. Or even if you're going to go to other company, you have an experience to show them that you've done something similar, which increase your chances of getting the job, I mean, easily. Okay, which increases your, so I mean, there are a lot of things over here. I mean, places that I've given you. If you go to Glassdoor, for instance, right, you see that there are quite a lot of them over here. So you can easily search based on what you want, right? And come on, if you, let me come here and then present it again. All right, now if you come even here, right, you see that I've given you where you can even find some free, if you want to do freelance work, you can also come here and then do it, right? Some people will not want to do a full-time internship or something like that. Some people want to do per hour work and then get paid for that. You can also do that. Okay, so if you go to say Upwork, for instance, here you can get a lot of, I mean, freelance work over here, and then you can do it. So you can filter out based on what you want, whether data science, machine learning, or whatever. You can just search over here and then get it. Okay, so I'm going to give you this one as well, so that you can easily go through. So I hope you have an idea of what to do now, where to make sure your GitHub account is done well, and I mean, your resume is written very well. Here on Forage, they will not really require your resume, but on LinkedIn, if you're applying on LinkedIn where you get paid, they will require your resume. Okay, and most of these ones that I've given you here too, you will need your resume well written to do that. Okay, so I mean, write your resume well, include the skills, your education level, and the skills you have learned so far and all that, and then that's it. Okay, you just apply. Okay, so hope to see your success, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and then you can share your experience and all that. Okay, you can just connect with me on LinkedIn, I mean, and then if you search for that, okay, so this is my LinkedIn URL, so you can just connect with me if you need any other help over there. Okay, all right, so that's it for getting your jobs and internship, and I hope to see your success. Make sure you do this, and then update me on LinkedIn and let me see your progress. All right, so see you some other time. Have a nice day.